Comrades, Saira Mujtaba's translation of an Urdu poem by the late Anwar Nadeem.
My friends,
My comrades,
you are of this age,
I am too of this epoch,
the flag of life,
the bliss of the soul,
the gloom of tyranny.
the void of light.
Your sorrow is my heart's guest,
My sorrow resides in your heart.
but in order to witness life,
To ponder over it, to measure it,
to make use of this life,
having a different angle,
a different distance,
a different spirit, you carry the heavy cross of traditions.
you thrust an archaic book under your arms.
If only you touch the mirror of words,
Your hands would let go of their impressions,
you are stuck to the eras gone by.
for you are the fate of flickering lamps.
You are chained to a herd mentality. My comrades,
Why would you approbate individuality?
thank you.